Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's topic is single cell protein. The term single cell protein refers to the dried microbial cells or total protein extracted from the pure microbial cells culture. Algae, bacteria, filamentous fungi, yeast, which can be used as a food supplement to the human or a animal. Production of single cell proteins are the production of single cell protein can be done by the using waste material as a substrate, especially agriculture waste such as a wood shaving, sawdust, corn cobs, and the many other example for other waste material substrates or food processing waste residue from alcohol production, hydrocarbons, or human animal excrete. The process of SCP production, addition to the carbon source of nitrogen, phosphorus and other nutrient needed to support optimal growth of the selective or microorganism, prevention of contamination by the maintaining sterile of the hygienic conditions. The medium components may be heated or sterilized by the filtration and fermentation equipments may be sterilized. The selected microorganism is inoculated in a pure state. Some SCP processes are highly aerobic, expect those using algae. Therefore, adequate aerotane must be provided. In addition, cooling is necessary as a considerable heat is generated. The microbial biomass is the recovered from the medium. Processing of the biomass for enhancing its usefulness and the storability. Started culture of the SCP single cell protein from the yeast. Yeast is another source of the single cell protein and has been produced since a long time ago. Use of yeast as a food seasoning is the common found in the vegetarian diet. Torula yeast has been commercially used for the purpose, and the example for this produce hickory smoked dried torula yeast, and the yeast has some advantage among the SCP sources such as the easy to harvest because of their size and the high level of malic acid content, and the high lysine content can grow at acidic pH and long history of traditional use. I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, write down in comment box. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.